Hey friends, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Today we're going to do a quick recipe. I'm stuck at home still, and I thought, well, I haven't had the materials to craft, but I do have lots of food. So I'm going to do some quick little recipes for you and thought I'd share some tips with you. Got a flat top grill outside, and I'm going to do up some chicken fried rice. I sure am missing my favorite Chinese restaurants about right now. So we're going to do a little homemade twist on some of my favorites. I've got some cubed chicken here. I'm going to add a tablespoon full of minced garlic, probably a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce to it, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to let that marinate for probably about 20 minutes. I've got some mixed vegetables here, and this is just some broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. And I went ahead and I microwaved that for about 3 minutes. I've got a lemon here that once I start cooking that chicken, I can squeeze it on there. And then I cut up some Vidalia onions. So this is going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and get this prepped and ready to go on the flat top grill. And okay, as you can see, I brought the kitchen outside, so we're fixing to light up our flat top here. Got it lit here. We are going to start off by adding some onions and butter, and then I'm going to get the chicken going. Okay, as you can see, we got the chicken on one side and the onions on the other, so we're going to grill these up for a few minutes. And once that chicken starts getting brown a little bit, we'll squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Oh, it smells so good out here. It is so beautiful out here right now. You can tell that spring is in the air. Okay, as you can see, the onions are cooking down really well and browning a little bit. And the chicken's cooking. We're going to start adding our rice to it now. I pre-cooked some white rice, and I'm just going to add it to the onions here and get that mixture going. And then once it cooks a little bit, we'll add the veggies in. Once the rice is on there, remember to add some more butter to it to keep it cooking. I'm just going to demonstrate how we flip it here, since I can't hold the camera and flip it too. But we added more butter, and we're letting that rice down. We're getting ready to add the veggies to it, and we're going to flip that chicken. And then I'm going to go over here and add a little bit more lemon. Just going to flip it. Oh, it smells so good out here. Smells like our favorite Chinese restaurant. We're going to squeeze some lemon here on this. We got to get those seeds out. Yeah, I got some seeds in there. I have to dig those out. And then I'm going to add these veggies over here. Nope, don't want them there. Oh, over on the side. Okay. We're going to lay them right there on the side and add some butter to that. Let that start cooking down. Butter to that mixture. And it is looking good. Yum, yum. And more butter? Mm-hmm. Okay, hang on. It's hard doing these things one-handed. We're adding some sesame seeds to the chicken and a little bit more of soy sauce to it. Close the lid, let it cook down just a little bit more, and it is almost time to eat. We are scooping this rice off now. Yum, yum. I know, y'all. I feel like I failed you. I had to call in the troops here.
The troops didn't want burnt chicken.
Hey, I'm still recovering too.
The troops didn't want burnt chicken.
I'm still in recovery from my surgery here. So a lot of lifting and stuff I can't still do. So my husband's been a real trooper, y'all. He has taken wonderful care of me. Okay, we're going to go in and plate this and show you what it looks like. All right, there you have it. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Take a bite of this. That is delicious. But there you have it. There is our fried rice on our flat top grill outside.